Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Brian Omolo.
Brian.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, which do you think are the most famous countries in the world? Name
Yeah.
from number 3 to 1.
Number 3 to 1. I'll say it's Nigeria, Kenya, then South Africa. Yeah.
Why?
Because South Africa, as you can see, it's more advanced. Yeah. Then followed by Kenya. Yeah, we are popular due to our sportsmen and sportswomen, our diverse ways of music. Yeah, things like that. Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Marvin.
Marvin.
Yes.
So today we are asking Kenyans to name the most popular countries in Africa. What's your top 3 countries?
Most popular. For me, it will be Kenya, then Nigeria, then South Africa.
Oh, wow. Could you give us reasons?
Because you see, Kenya is known for having the best athletes. We represent well in athletics and sports generally. Nigeria, it will be because of their sound, Niger sound and all that, Afrobeat. South Africa, because when it comes to matters development, it's they are giving it a good shot, and it's a good representation for Africa.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine.
What's your name?
My name is Hassan.
Hassan.
Yeah, Hassan.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, what do you think are the top 3 most famous country in Africa? And you can name them beginning with 3. Number 3.
Number 3, I'll put South Africa. Then number 2, Nigeria. Then number 1, Kenya.
Kenya. Why did you place them like that?
I think they're the most popular countries in Africa. They are widely known.
What would you say they are known for?
Okay, let me start by South Africa. They were the last country to gain independence. And then their culture, the sauce and the those people.
Yeah.
And then when it comes to Nigeria, can talk about even their culture. I think they are the most export from Africa. Like most of the people abroad are from Nigeria.
Yeah.
And then Kenya economically, I think it has widely grown to be very popular.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Joseph.
Joseph.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, what do you think are the 3 most popular countries in Africa?
Most popular, then Kenya, South Africa, and Nigeria.
So from number 1 to 3, that's how you'd place them?
Yeah,
Why?
because I think because I'm Kenyan.
So Kenya is number 1?
Yeah, Kenya is number 1. Because definitely, you see, we are first in YouTube. No, sorry, in TikTok. That means we are popular. Yeah.
Okay, and what about South Africa and Nigeria? How do you place them, number 2 and 3?
South Africa is diverse. South Africa was just recognized, so I think the Wazungu are still there, and I guess it's culture. Yeah.
And Nigeria, what do you think it's popular for?
Culture too. It's culture number 1. I think it's culture number 1 in Africa. Then they
Music.
are movies, music. Yeah, they're good. They are best in music in Africa. So their popularity rests on that.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Fezunda. Mimi ni msanii. Siwezi sema mimi ni msanii mkubwa, but ndo an uprising artist. Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, which do you think are the most popular countries in Africa? You can name them from number 3.
From number 3, South Africa. Napenda sana South Africa sana. Mostland. Nigerians ya kidogo. Na tuseme pale Congo. Congo pia wamekapitia sana. Yeah.
So you think those are the 3 most popular countries in Africa?
Yes.
Why did you place Congo at number 1?
Mostly Congo, the way they pronounce their English, you can enjoy the language, you know. Yeah, I love the language of the English. I love the English. Yeah.
And Nigeria, you placed it at number 2 and South Africa at number 3. Why did you place them like that?
Because mostly napenda kuwafuatilia sana. Sana Nigeria, South Africa na Congo. Kama mimi msanii napenda kuwafuatilia sana.
And what would you say, what is that one thing would you say that South Africa is most known for?
South Africa, business. Business wako poa sana. Wako juu, yani ni nchi ya kimataifa ambayo mostly I've watched many of movies zinatoka South Africa and they win awards. They all, yani South Africa is best.
What about Nigeria?
Even Nigeria, they do great because mostly tumekuja kujua mambo mengi kupitia Nigeria. Hata sometimes, yani tuseme mostly of music watu wengi wanapenda inatoka Nigeria. Yes. They are most popular and great. Yeah.
Okay, so asante sana for your time, really appreciate.
Yeah, thank you guys. Pia mimi nime appreciate, na pia mimi ni msanii Fezunda. Hiyo jina ni ngumu but wataiandika kwa screen hapo kwa Twinshangout Kenya on YouTube.
Sawa, asante.